Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier you. Joining a gym is a fantastic decision. It opens a door to a world of fitness possibilities. It can be intimidating for beginners. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you. We'll navigate the do's and don'ts together. Let's make your gym experience positive and rewarding. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Every fitness expert was once a beginner. The key is to start right. Focus on building a solid foundation. This will lead to long-term success. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Let's talk about the essential do's for gym beginners. Whether you're stepping into the gym for the first time or returning after a long break, these tips will help you get the most out of your workouts. These are simple but crucial things you can do to maximize your workouts and minimize risks. Following these guidelines will not only enhance your performance but also ensure you stay safe and injury-free. First, always warm up before each workout. A proper warm-up increases your heart rate and blood flow to your muscles, preparing them for the physical activity ahead. Warming up prepares your muscles for exercise. It makes your muscles more flexible and ready to handle the stress of your workout. It reduces the risk of injuries. Stretching and light cardio can prevent strains and sprains, keeping you in the game longer. A light jog or some jumping jacks will do the trick. Second, use proper form. Proper form is essential for effective workouts and long-term health. Proper form ensures you're targeting the right muscles. It also prevents injuries. Incorrect form can lead to muscle imbalances and chronic pain. If you're unsure about proper form, ask a trainer. They can provide valuable guidance and help you avoid common mistakes. Third, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels and overall performance. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and dizziness. It can also affect your ability to recover after a workout. Always carry a water bottle with you. Sip water regularly to keep your body hydrated and functioning optimally. Finally, create a balanced workout routine. A well-rounded plan ensures you work all major muscle groups and avoid overtraining any single area. Don't just focus on one area of your body. Variety in your exercises will keep your workouts interesting and effective. Work your legs, arms, back, chest, and core. Each muscle group plays a vital role in your overall fitness. A balanced routine will give you a full-body workout. This approach not only builds strength but also improves your flexibility and endurance, setting you up for long-term success. Imagine your muscles are like a rubber band. A cold rubber band is stiff and prone to snapping when stretched suddenly. Warming up is like gently stretching and warming up that rubber band. It becomes more flexible and less likely to break. Warming up increases your heart rate and blood flow. This delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. It prepares them for the upcoming workout. A good warm-up can be as simple as 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio. This could include brisk walking, jogging on the treadmill, or cycling. Don't underestimate the power of a good warm-up. It's the foundation of a safe and effective workout. Using proper form is crucial when exercising. It ensures you're targeting the intended muscle groups. It also minimizes the risk of injuries. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house on a shaky foundation, would you? Similarly, you shouldn't build your fitness on improper form. If you're unsure about the correct form for an exercise, don't hesitate to ask for help. Gym trainers are there to assist you. They can guide you on proper posture, alignment, and technique. Remember, it's better to lift lighter weights with proper form than to lift heavy weights incorrectly. Ask for help. Trainers are your friends. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Gym trainers are valuable resources. They can provide personalized guidance and support. They can help you create a workout plan tailored to your goals and fitness level. Think of trainers as your fitness coaches. They are there to motivate you. They want to see you succeed. They can teach you how to use equipment safely and effectively. They can also correct your form and offer modifications if needed. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It shows that you're committed to doing things right. Hydration, the fuel for your workout. Water is essential for life, and it's especially important when you're working out. Staying hydrated helps regulate your body temperature. It also helps transport nutrients to your muscles. Think of your body as a car engine. Water is like the oil that keeps the engine running smoothly. Without enough oil, the engine overheats and can get damaged. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and muscle cramps. It can also hinder your performance and make your workout feel much harder. Aim to drink water before, during, and after your workout. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and refill it throughout your gym session. Balanced routine, working your entire body. A balanced workout routine is essential for overall fitness. It ensures that you're working all the major muscle groups in your body. This helps prevent muscle imbalances and reduces the risk of injuries. Think of your body as a puzzle. Each muscle group is a piece of the puzzle. A balanced routine puts all the pieces together. A balanced routine should include exercises for your legs, arms, back, chest, and core. It's also important to include both cardiovascular exercise and strength training. Cardiovascular exercise, like running or cycling, strengthens your heart and lungs. Strength training, like lifting weights, builds muscle and increases your metabolism. Section 8. Gym Don'ts, Avoiding Common Pitfalls. Now that we've covered the do's, let's move on to the don'ts. It's just as important to know what to avoid as it is to know what to do. These are common mistakes that beginners often make. Recognizing these errors early can save you from a lot of trouble down the road. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can stay safe and make the most of your gym experience. Safety should always be your top priority. First and foremost, never skip warm-ups. Warm-ups are essential for getting your body ready for the physical activity ahead. I know it's tempting to jump right into the workout, but warming up is crucial for preparing your muscles for exercise and preventing injuries. A good warm-up increases your heart rate and blood flow to your muscles. Second, don't try to lift too much weight too soon. It's a common mistake to think that lifting heavier weights will get you results faster. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. This approach helps you build strength safely and effectively. Lifting too much weight can lead to serious injuries. It's better to progress slowly and avoid setbacks. Third, don't compare yourself to others at the gym. It's easy to get discouraged when you see others lifting more or running faster. Everyone is at a different stage in their fitness journey. What works for someone else might not work for you. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your own achievements. Finally, don't neglect cool-downs. They are just as important as warm-ups. Cooling down after your workout helps your body gradually return to its resting state. It also helps your heart rate and breathing to return to normal. It also helps reduce muscle soreness. Taking a few minutes to cool down can make a big difference in how you feel the next day. Section 9. Skipping warm-ups, a recipe for disaster. Skipping warm-ups is like jumping into a cold pool on a chilly day. It shocks your body and can lead to problems. Similarly, skipping warm-ups before exercise can shock your muscles and increase the risk of injuries. Imagine your muscles are like a car engine on a cold winter morning. You wouldn't just start driving without letting the engine warm up, would you? Warming up gradually increases your heart rate and blood flow. This delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, preparing them for the upcoming workout. Skipping warm-ups increases the risk of muscle strains, sprains, and other injuries. Always take a few minutes to warm up your muscles before each workout. Your body will thank you for it. Section 10. Lifting too much too soon, slow and steady wins the race. It's understandable to be eager to see results quickly. However, trying to lift too much weight too soon is a recipe for disaster. It's like trying to run a marathon without any training. Think of building strength as a gradual process, like climbing a staircase. You wouldn't try to jump to the top step in one go, would you? Lifting too much weight puts excessive stress on your muscles, joints, and tendons. This can lead to injuries that could sideline you from the gym for weeks or even months. Start with lighter weights that you can lift comfortably with proper form. Gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Section 11. Gym Etiquette. Be a good gym citizen. This section is all about how to behave in the gym to ensure everyone has a pleasant experience. The gym is a shared space, so it's important to be mindful of others. Whether you're lifting weights, running on the treadmill, or taking a class, your actions can impact those around you. Following proper gym etiquette ensures a positive and respectful environment for everyone. A friendly smile or a simple nod can go a long way in making the gym a welcoming place. First and foremost, always wipe down equipment after you use it. This is not just about cleanliness, it's about showing respect for the next person who will use the equipment. This helps prevent the spread of germs. No one wants to catch a cold or worse from a shared surface. Most gyms provide disinfectant sprays and towels for this purpose. Make sure to use them generously and properly. Second, put your weights away when you're finished with them. This simple act of tidiness helps keep the gym organized and safe. Leaving weights lying around is a tripping hazard and can inconvenience other gym members. Imagine someone tripping and getting injured because of a weight you left out. Third, respect others' personal space. Everyone needs room to move and exercise comfortably. Avoid crowding others while they're exercising. If someone is using a machine or space, give them the courtesy of distance. Give them enough room to move freely. This not only helps them, but also prevents accidents. Finally, be mindful of noise levels. Loud conversations or music can be distracting and annoying to others. Keep your conversations at a reasonable volume. If you need to take a call, consider stepping outside or using a quiet corner. Avoid dropping weights loudly, as this can be disruptive to others. Gentle handling of equipment shows consideration for those around you. Remember, a little courtesy goes a long way in creating a welcoming and enjoyable gym environment for everyone. By following these simple guidelines, you contribute to a positive atmosphere where everyone can thrive.